Now, once you've completed your animation project inside of After Effects, you'll most likely want to export your project by adding it to the render queue and then rendering out either an image sequence or a video. However, in Edge Animate, when you're finished with your project, you'll come up to the File menu and you'll come down to Publish Settings. Now, there's a few different formats that you can publish out to from Edge Animate. However, they all result in the same set of files, which is a series of JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. The web setting here will actually write all of those files to a folder and have them be sort of open or in the clear. The Animate deployment package will create a single OAM file that you can use in other Adobe authoring applications like InDesign, Dreamweaver, and Muse. And then lastly, the iBooks and OSX format will create a widget folder, which again will contain all of the assets that the animation needs, but will be contained in one single widget file that you can use in iBooks Author or in the Mac OS X dashboard. Now, the video file that you get from After Effects can be played in a variety of ways. It can be loaded into the Flash player or loaded directly into an HTML5 enabled browser. It can also be played on tablets and mobile phones natively, since those devices have native video playback capabilities. Edge Animate, on the other hand, creates a series of JavaScript files and an HTML file and images that are all loaded into the browser, starting with the preload JavaScript. So it's up to the browser to take the animations and recreate all of the animated sequences based on the JavaScript files that are loaded in. So the main difference here is that all of the things you do in After Effects, including add fonts, graphics, and animation sequences, are flattened or rasterized into one video stream. Whereas in the HTML5 and JavaScript enabled animations, the browser is reconstructing those animations for every viewer that looks at your animation file.